Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about some important question uh, which asked in the exam, okay, related exam. So first question is that how many NOR gate are required to construct half subtractor. So half subtractor is a combinational circuit that used to perform subtraction, okay. So here we use, the answer is 5 NOR gate we used to compute the subtraction, okay. NOR gate and NAND gate are both are universal gate, so it is the list, okay, of all logic gates, and how many NAND gates and NOR gate required to build all logic gate, that is half subtractor or subtractor, full sub adder or subtractor, okay, NAND gate, NOR gate, okay. So to remember this table, you have to remember like this, okay. Here all values are 5, so half adder and subtractor are required 5 NAND gate and 5 NOR gate, and in full adder or subtractor it required 9, okay. Both value are same, so you can remember this both value, but here it is the value are change, okay. So first write NOT gate, then NAND gate, OR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate, okay, in this order. Then write this 1 2 3 4 5, okay, in increasing order you have to write. Now see that this one and this one are same, but these two and these three are swap, okay, and this 4 and these 5 are swap, okay. Swap this and swap these two, then in this way you can remember the whole things, okay, whole table. This whole table are very important because every year in UGC net the question, one question are asked from this table, okay. So now next question is that the smallest element that can be found in time in a binary max heap, okay, binary max heap. This question asked in NILET December 2018 group assistant B exam, okay, assistant B exam. So this question very important for NILET, okay. So this here to find binary max heap smallest element, we have, the order is, we have to search the whole tree, okay. So for this reason the complexity is ON, okay, answer is ON. But normally in max heap the complexity, time complexity is O log n, but here the smallest element find in max heap, okay. We have to traverse the whole tree to find the smallest element, and the smallest element we can find in leaf node, but in root node all the elements are in maximum. So for this reason we have to traverse the all tree, okay. Now next question is that if the period of a signal 100 millisecond, okay, it is given millisecond. So frequency, okay, frequency, the formula is frequency divided by 1 divided by time, okay. So 1 divided by 100 millisecond, okay. To convert millisecond we have to multiply it with 10 to the power minus 3, okay. To convert millisecond to second we have to multiply with 10 to the power minus 3, then you get the result, that is 10, okay. So our answer is 10. You can this 10 to the power minus 3 will now cut this value, we get 10. So now this question is asking UGC net, okay. So which of the following statement is are false? We have to find false statement. So quick sort is adaptive if it run faster on a partial sorted array, okay. This is false because quick sort is adaptive, it is true, but it is not faster on sorted array, it's faster in unsorted array, okay. In sorted array it give, in sorted array it give O n squared time complexity, but in unsorted array it give us n log n, time complexity. So for this reason, in unsorted array it is performed fast, but here it is written in sorted array, so it is false statement. Now next is quicksort is stable if it is preserved in relative order. So quicksort is an unstable algorithm. Okay, so it is not a stable algorithm. It is adaptive, but it is not a stable. So stable algorithm are that which preserve the relative order of equal key in the database. Okay, equal key in the database, it preserve the order of equal key. So here you can see that which is adaptive and which is non-adaptive. Bubble sort, insertion sort and quick sort all are adaptive algorithm. Adaptive means an algorithm that change its behavior on input sequence. Like I said that quick sort, it perform the in unsorted array. Okay, it perform give the time complexity based in unsorted array, but it is not perform well in sorted array. But bubble sort perform well in sorted array. In bubble sort the time complexity of sorted array is O1, but when it is unsorted, at that time in bubble sort it gives O n square time complexity. Okay, so these are adaptive, bubble sort, insertion and quick sort, and these are non-adaptive. Selection, merge and heap sort are non-adaptive. Okay, so time complexity of selection is O n square and merge sort is O n log n, and heap is only log n. Okay, only log n, here no n is required. So now some example of stable and unstable. Okay, this is unstable. So stable algorithm are merge sort, insertion sort, bubble sort and binary tree. Stable means that it maintain the relative order of equal keys, and unstable are algorithm are heap sort, selection sort and quick sort are the unstable algorithm. Now next is prevent the thrashing while keeping the degree of multiprogramming as high as possible, and also optimize CPU utilization. So we use to prevent the thrashing, to overcome the thrashing problem, we will use working set model. Okay, in thrashing occur when the page fault are when the memory spend major time in page fault. Okay, at that time thrashing occur. So here the diagram is look like this, and this is utilization, and this okay, when the multi-programming, it helps to perform the multi-programming. Okay, so to overcome this thrashing problem, we use working set model. Now next question is that it is a program. Okay, here this is an array, and we use pointer to access this array. Okay, here 2 is 0, and it is stored in 2 is stored in first index. Okay, 0. So like I draw here 2 0 1 9. Okay, here first element is stored in 0, second is 1, third 2 and 3. Okay, the base address starting is 0. Now here the p is pointer here. Okay, p point first the base address. Now here add a is add plus 2. Okay, here plus 2 means increment by 1 2 2, and here okay, p is now pointing here. Now it print first p, so p is 0.1 and a star a is the base address, that is 2, so it is print 12. So because there have no escaping element, so it is not go to the next element, so it will print 1 2 in this way. Okay, so now the next question is that the processor assigning load. Okay, here mention load address to add to various part of the program. So to load address we used relocation. Relocation is used for loading purposes. Okay, this question asking get. So now this it is also asking UGC net. Okay, so now this question is find odd out. Okay, so a plus 0. Okay, when so from this here you have to find these all are true, but here it is are false. Okay, a plus 1 equal to a. This is not true. Okay, here if we add a plus 1, we any element we add with 1, it is give 1. Okay, you can put in a you can put 0 or 1. If we 0 plus 1 we get 1, and if we add 1 plus 1 in binary we also get 1. So in both the case we get 1 value. Okay, so for this reason we get this is false. Okay, you can put in a, okay, you can put 0 or 1, then we either you put 0 and 1, you get the anything you add with 0 we get the same value. Okay, a, that is, and a plus a bar, that is we get 1. Okay, and a plus a we also get a. You can put the value 0 or 1 and you can check that thing. Okay, so now there is this question: a sort is adaptive if it run faster on partially sorted array. Okay, so one is false. A sort is adaptive when it is partially. Okay, you can see there that the quick sort algorithm, I say that quick sort algorithm is not performed in sorted array, it is performed based in unsorted array. So in this way it is false. A sort is stable if it preserve the relative order. Okay, this is true. I said in the previous question. Okay, so this is true. And merge sort is useful for sorting linked list. It is also true. It merge sort is also help for linked list. When it is in array it is not good, but when we perform with the linked list it is give us the best result. And the space complexity of the merge sort using linked list is on. So this is false. In space complexity means that how much memory we required. Okay, so in linked list when it is performed, this space complexity is n log n, but when we perform with array we get this thing. Okay, on. So now next is, if an optimal solution can be created for a problem by constructing optimal solution. This is NP hard and NP, okay, dynamic programming. This is the part of dynamic programming. So the answer is optimal substructure. Okay, so this is the last question. Please subscribe my channel to get this more video. Okay, please, because you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe.